inside that has a heater inside of it, as you can see, that activates, like when you put water inside, it gets warm. So when we put the food inside. So what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna put the water in the middle. Put it like this. Like this.
Wow.
Then put it there.
Okay, so. Oh, it's very hot. And it's still
Set it on the.
So while this takes 10 minutes to cook up, I'm gonna make the drink. So I have my water bottle up here, and just gonna open it. And now I'm just gonna pour the drink. A lemon lime beverage. Pour the whole thing. It's so green. And then you're supposed to shake it up like a normal drink. So I'm gonna shake this up. Okay, so hold on, because I need to put it in a net. So I'm gonna try the drink now. It's really good, and it tastes like a lime a lot, like lemon and lime at the same time. Oh, there. Yeah. Okay, so now I'm gonna try these sugar cookies, and yeah, I'm wondering what they taste like. They look like this. We have they're like graham crackers, so the small ones. So they're super thin. They're kind of like normal cookies, and they taste good, of course. And like once you bite it, it's hard, and then in the middle, it's really soft. And they have a patriotic shape. Like this one has a hat, and this one is the American flag. And it's really cool. It tastes really good. So now I'm gonna be trying this cinnamon bun. And it's just in this packet. And I'm so good. Like the first time when I opened it, I was like, ooh, a cinnamon bun. I really want to try this. Ooh, it looks cool. It looks like this. Oh. It looks like a cookie dough, And I'm going to try it. So it's really like chewy. Oh my god, we can also put it inside it. It's good. Yeah, it tastes good. In the middle, it's also really soft. I like this. Okay, so now I'm gonna make the coffee. I just grabbed normal water because it's easier, but it came in a bag, but it looks pretty hard to do. So I'm just gonna grab the coffee, the little packet of coffee. It comes with coffee and creamer. And it also comes with sugar. So we're gonna open the coffee. Normal coffee. And now I'm gonna open the creamer. And also it smells really good. Now I'm gonna put the sugar. So this is now how the coffee looks like. It smells really good. I'm gonna taste it. It's like no flavor. There's no flavor. And yeah, this is the end of part 2. On part 3, we're gonna try the main course. So yeah.